How do you schedule your Instagram stories for free? Now before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do click subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Now without further ado, let me jump into my phone and then after that my computer to show you how you can schedule your Instagram stories for free. Let's go.
Alright, so first of all, you need to open up your Business Suite account. If you do not have it, download it and link it to your Facebook account. So click on that. Okay, and then this is the Facebook page that I linked my Instagram to. So basically your Instagram account need to be linked to a Facebook page in order to use this function. You can't use this with just your normal personal Instagram account. Sadly, this is actually a business function. So if you have a business page and a business Instagram account, this is how you do it. And now I just need to click on stories. So you can see the plus sign here. You click on the story at the plus sign and you can create a story. Alternatively, you can click on the plus sign below, click on story, and then you can pick any pictures that you want. Show me my cat, just put any picture there and then just put on text. Any text. Okay, just an example, alright? And then after that, you can click on next. Just for example, it's just like how you normally create your stories. Okay, you can create ahead of time, or you can find some posts ahead of time, and then you can save it in your phone and then just schedule it like that. You can click schedule for later. So there's a few ways you can schedule. You can schedule whatever time you want, and then click schedule. So yeah, so this is how easily you can schedule your Instagram story in your phone. So now let's go to my computer and let me show you how you can do it. Quite similar, but let's go.
First, log into your page. Okay, for example, I'm using this page now, the separate page, Finance Digital, and then now I'm logged into it, so you can go to professional dashboard, right? I just want to go see page and go to Meta Business Suite. So it is quite similar as what you see with the phone. Go to Meta Business Suite, and then you can see here you can create a story. Just create story, and once you click on create story, you can see that you can upload up to 10 images and videos. So basically you can get everything edited or recorded here first in the computer before you upload it into your Instagram or Facebook page story. So you can add any photo or video here and then you can schedule accordingly. So yes, so this is how you can schedule your story for your Instagram account. Again, you need to link first your Instagram account to your Facebook page so that you can have access to Meta Business Suite. Without it, unfortunately for now, you cannot do it for free. You might need to get a separate software. If you want to do it for free, this is one way you can do it. Hey, if you like what I share, do give me a like and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done so.